Welcome to the revolution in machinery. Today, we're uncovering technology that combines extraordinary strength with flawless accuracy. Are you ready to see the future unfold? Let's embark on this thrilling adventure together. Incredible! All the wood on the boat suddenly tumbled into the water. The man watched with deep regret as the logs drifted away helplessly, knowing it would take a great deal of time and effort to recover them.
Он держится. Отвязываемся. Вот.
Have you ever seen a tree being transformed into boards for construction? At Tripema, this automated sawmill processes pine logs up to 30 inches wide and 40 feet long, producing 100,000 cubic meters of boards annually. High efficiency, incredible results. Next, let's take a look at the John Deere 753 forestry mulcher. With a working range of 2 meters and 120 horsepower, it is incredibly efficient at processing dense vegetation and huge trees. Its sophisticated hydraulic system guarantees maximum production and efficiency. This is probably the largest log I have ever seen, measuring an impressive 8 feet in diameter and 30 feet in length. To process it, a specialized saw with an enormous 6-foot blade was used, capable of adjusting to various sizes. Watching the saw in action was truly awe-inspiring. It effortlessly cut through the massive wood with incredible precision. The sound of the massive 10-foot diameter tree falling was impressive. Removing it is vital to prevent hazards like bugs, lightning strikes, fire, injuries, and the unpleasant smell of decaying wood. Safety is key. Designed to handle large, durable logs up to 36 inches in diameter, the Easton-made SS524 is a sturdy wood splitter. With its extraordinary power, it can effortlessly harness enormous energy to split even the toughest logs with surprising accuracy and efficiency. Let's witness how this sawmill operates. The twin bandsaws efficiently process logs with diameters from 5.9 inches to 19.7 inches, cutting up to 300 cubic meters of wood per hour, thanks to their advanced features and adjustable feeding speeds. With an impressive 80 tons of splitting power, the F80 horizontal log splitter processes logs up to 80 centimeters in diameter. It features adjustable grids for 16, 24, or 28 splits, dual-speed operation, and options like a loading crane, handling up to 30 cubic meters per hour. This debarker is impressive. Just look at its speed. It can process logs up to 2 meters in diameter and 12 meters long, handling up to 100 cubic meters of wood per hour. Drop a 1 in the comments if you know the brand. What terrain could possibly stop the Camox G275, a giant machine with its long, powerful arm lifting massive logs, with a 270 horsepower engine, a 15-meter crane arm, and a capacity to lift 50 tons. This beast powers through mud and slick roads without breaking a sweat. Logs up to 2 meters in diameter can be processed effectively by the sawmill's dual 1.5-meter circular saw blades and side saws. With this configuration, output and productivity are greatly increased by ensuring accurate, fast cuts. When it comes to handling tough tasks like firewood cutting, the Log Ripper X09 stands out as your trusted companion. Featuring a tungsten-tipped 36-inch blade and a maximum cut of 14.6 inches, it ensures precision, durability, and efficiency for all your vegetation management needs. The CBI Magnum Force 5400 BT is a next-generation horizontal grinder that offers versatility to handle various materials and processing needs. Powered by a 465 horsepower Cat C18 engine, it processes up to 100 tons of wood per hour. Truly, it is an impressive machine. Wow, look at that! The Bandit SG75 machine, powered by 55.20 kilowatts, is grinding away at a tree stump with impressive power. With a cutting depth of 23 inches, it efficiently handles large stumps, making it ideal for forestry operations. The mini skid steer log splitter with a powerful screw splitter effortlessly handles 48-inch diameter hardwood logs, providing efficient and precise splitting for heavy-duty tasks in forestry or landscaping applications. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to stay updated. Keep exploring with us. See you in the next one.